Hey everybody, it's Jewelyn. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to my home here in Santa Monica, California. It is a beautiful Saturday afternoon. Taught a bunch of classes this morning. I'm going to be going out tonight for a Yelp Elite event. I invited Catherine to come with and we're going to have dinner before. It's going to be a nice, relaxing Saturday night. I definitely want to go ahead and film my Spring 2019 planter collection for the channel. But before that, I do have a few things that I want to go ahead and kind of fix up for my space, including this particular project. Anything that comes through my home that are thrifted, I either like spraying them either Tiffany blue or white. Any of my plant stands, I definitely like to have them white, so that is what I'm going to do in today's video, and I am going to style plants on it at the end of the video, so stay tuned. I'm really excited to have this particular stand in my collection, and I think, you know, I never expected anything like this in my collection, but when Catherine said stop, we have to go to this yard sale that we just was driving past on the way home from filming to come with me, we stopped and I ended up putting this in my car and bringing it back home. She got a really cute plant stand. So stay tuned for Catherine's upcoming Spring 2019 planter collection. I'll go ahead and film that after mine, and you can see her vintage plant stand. Spiral staircase vintage plant stand was definitely a deal. I picked it up for $30, you guys, which is very hard to pass up. These plant stands or any kind of metal plant stands are very expensive, but I was fortunate enough to get it down to $30. This is the product that I love using for all of my DIY projects, and I store all of my paint cans in my potting bench in my drawer, so they just live there. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this down. I'm gonna film a planting video, then I'm gonna come back and go ahead and restyle plants onto this plant stand in my patio. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and let's get started. One is done. I went ahead and I sprayed this whole thing down, and I pretty much almost used the whole can. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let this sit and dry off. I'm gonna film another video, come back and check on it to see if it's dry. Once it's dry, I'm gonna bring it back into my space and style plants on it. I can't wait. I think it's absolutely adorable, and I think this was like probably one of my best thrifted finds for my patio thus far, so I'm really excited to see how this looks like painted up with beautiful plants on it. Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of today's video. It is the following day. It is Sunday afternoon. I just finished teaching 4 of my classes. My allergies was giving me a hard time this morning, but I think I feel better now. I was able to at least complete my makeup, come home and film this video. So I'm going to go ahead and bring in my plant stand, and we're going to put it into my patio and style plants in them. I hope you enjoy the rest of the video, and I can't wait to see it all done up in my space. So here's the plant stand. I'm gonna place it in between my Tiffany blue wicker vintage chairs. I think it's gonna be absolutely perfect there. There is a lot of construction happening next door, so I apologize, but I want to go ahead and set it up to complete this video, and I hope you guys enjoy seeing me style plants on my new vintage plant. Here's my beautiful vintage plant stand, all painted up in between my Tiffany blue chairs. I think this is like the perfect place for it. So now I'm just gonna look through my collection and go ahead and style plants on it. I think I might work my way down back to the top. It's gonna be my first choice, and this is my neon heartleaf philodendron. I absolutely love this. I'm gonna place it on the bottom. That's gonna look super cute. I think I also maybe want to put my beautiful string of dolphins on here. Maybe there. spider plant. I think that's so perfect. I love the look. Looks great. My sedums that I got from Reseda. I think I'm gonna place that on here. I think I might want to add some little cuteness. Here's one of my Portulaca Molokinesis. It's in a little birdie planter. This is a beautiful Hoya. Take a look at this. This is my Hoya Carnosa. Love that. I think I'm gonna want it maybe here. Cressula multicava. Love that. So here's my beautiful new macrame hanger. I have now my rickrack cactus in here. It's actually living on a plant stand by my patio door, but now I'm upgrading it to a macrame hanger. And I'm just gonna hook it onto here. In this section. Let me take it back a little. I think this is the look that I want for this. I think that looks super adorable. And then I think I'm gonna add my bamboo wind chimes. I had this now for 20 years, believe it or not. This is from Hawaii. Maybe add one more small baby here. So this is my pixie lime, my peperomia. I don't know, I might put it back in my bathroom because it loves high humidity. And I think I'm going to put my beautiful Peperomia Hope. And that is going to complete the look. I think this is absolutely adorable. Here is the new vintage plant stand in between my wicker chairs. I think it looks absolutely adorable. I love how I was able to give it a facelift. Just doing a quick little DIY and spraying it back to all white. I think it looks absolutely beautiful in this shade. So as you can see in the top here, I just have my spider plant, which I've had for a while now. I've propagated so many babies from this. A lot of my plant friends have babies from this. And then I have my Cressula multicava I got from Reseda. I also have my Peperomia Hope that I got from West Hollywood. I have my Hoya Carnosa, which I believe I got from West Hollywood as well. I don't remember. My Peperomia Pixie Lime is also here. I might put this back in my bathroom because it likes high humidity. It's on the finicky side. It's in a planter that I got from, I believe, Daiso, Japan. And this is both from West Hollywood. I have my Portulaca Molokinesis, which I can't remember where I got that one from. Might be from the Los Angeles flea market with the Daiso, Japan planter. My string of dolphins, which I got from Bellflower, California. My sedums that I rescued from a Reseda nursery. And as well as my heartleaf neon philodendron, which I've got, I believe, from West Hollywood. So here's what I ended up putting up onto the vintage plant stand, along with my beautiful rickrack cactus, which I got from West Hollywood, and a beautiful macrame hanger I just recently acquired into my collection. If you're interested in this particular hanger, I have the link in my Amazon store in the description box. Go ahead and check it out. Back here for fun, I just have my bamboo wind chime, which I've had now for over 20 years. I got that from Hawaii on the Big Island a long time ago. And this kind of completes the look for the plant stand. I think it looks absolutely adorable. So that's going to wrap up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this two-part video. I started yesterday, I sprayed it, left it overnight, came home from work, and styled the plants into my space. Let me know down in the comments below, what do you think about my vintage plant stand? Again, it was a cool, awesome find for $30 at a random yard sale. Catherine and I was just passing by on our way home from filming. I absolutely love it. Stay tuned because in her spring 2019 plant tour, you'll see her vintage plant stand that she picked up from the same yard sale. So I think that's pretty cool. A quick little DIY. I love respraying my things to either white or Tiffany blue. I think this looks absolutely amazing in my space. Sound off down below. How do you like the plants I styled onto this vintage plant? Stay tuned for an upcoming plant tour for spring 2019. It's a 4-part series and you'll get to see my patio with my new vintage plant stand in the mix. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and also you can hear my fountain in the background. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new, welcome to the channel. Hit the bell and subscribe button to be notified on my daily upload. It is Sunday afternoon. I'll be heading back to San Diego on Tuesday night, so stay tuned for more San Diego content. Stay tuned for an upcoming Spring 2019 plaid tour. I would like to film it before I go to San Diego. My collection is really big. I break it down into 4 different videos, so stay tuned for that. If you're new, welcome to the channel. Hit the bell and subscribe button to be notified on my daily uploads. I get a video live every morning at 5 a.m. for you to inspire you each and every day. I have hundreds of videos on the channel, so hit the bell and subscribe button. Welcome to my channel. You can find more on my blog at ilovejewelyn.blogspot.com. Until next time, aloha from Santa Monica, California. Bye!